Good morning, students. In my previous class of English 2, I have started this chapter 1, Respect the Earth. Okay, so we had finished in page number 2 in our previous class. What do you see? Okay, so up to here we noticed that we had noticed that there were so many kinds of pollutions, so many problems in our earth that is harmful to us, and Dadaji and with the children they decided to clean the park where they used to go. Okay, so carry on. Let's carry on the text. Come to page number 3. The flower beds and hedges have so many plastic bags in them, said Gagan. So Gagan noticed that in the flower beds and hedges where we must see the vicinity with green grasses, green plants and flowers, but instead of that there were many plastic bags and that kind of pollutants in them that is not desirable. Next, there are also so many dry leaves all over, said Gauri. So, dry leaves is not so harmful for the nature because dry leaves is a thing that is usually dissolved with the soil. It is composable. We have a compost pit in our school garden, said Roshni. So compost pit is a kind of thing that some persons or the farmers they used to dig a hole or a pit in a open area, and they gather there the dry leaves, the leftover and the peel of the organic things, and they compost those things in that pit. So Roshni is remarking about that kind of a pit in their school garden. Why don't the park gardeners make one here? So she's suggesting the park gardeners, though the park gardener was not there, so she was suggesting that they must make a pit like that in that garden. What's a compost pit? Asked Dhiren. So Dhiren don't have the idea of the compost pit. So he was asking about it. It's a pit in which we put grass cuttings, dry leaves and flowers, vegetable scraps and even fruit peels. See what I have told you, it is written here. We keep all these organic particle in the pit to let these things to rot out. We keep the pit moist, and after some time the contents of the pit turn into good manure. So after it is rotten, it looks like a black type of thing, and it smells very bad also, but with time it turns into good manure that is very much helpful for the soil to grow good crops. This manure can be used to fertilize the flower beds and also our school vegetable patch. We don't have to use chemical fertilizers, explained Roshni. Very good, children, said Dadaji. So Dadaji was quite happy with the knowledge they had, the knowledge the children had. Clapping his hands, come on, tell me, what else you can do to save the earth? So he was asking about some other thing, that how can they save the earth? Every summer the electricity is turned off for many hours sometimes, because in summer season the consumption of electricity increases, said Gagan. Mummy says that this is our fault. We leave fans and lights on and waste electricity. So it is our duty to maintain all the switch off when we are not in the home, when we are not using that room, in fact. So it is our duty to turn off the switches when we are not using that. Now we are very careful. At school, said Mahesh, I am the monitor of my class. So here Mahesh is the monitor of his class. I turn off the fans when we go out during the recess or to the playground. Recess, that means the time of when they take their tiffins. So it is the part of Mahesh that he always do, that he turn off the switches when they leave the class. we have to understand, said Dadaji. Now, what is Dadaji saying? That nothing lasts forever. Everything is destructible. We must use less water and less power. So हम लोगों को ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि कोई भी चीज़ हमेशा नहीं रहता है, तो हम लोगों को पानी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, हर चीज़ यूज़ करने में सावधानी बरतनी चाहिए. तो ये मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ हिंदी में ताकि तुम लोगों को समझ में आए. ओके. Open the doors and windows and let in the breeze and sunlight. If a room is airy, we allow the room to come sunlight and the open breezes, it will be healthy for us. When we were children, we didn't have air conditioners. So it is Dadaji. Dadaji is saying that when he was such a small child, the use of air conditioners were not so common. In winter, we didn't use heaters. I just put on an additional sweater. So when they feel very cold in the winter, they used to wear another sweater upon a sweater. So did you know that if your TV, computer and other appliances are plugged in, they are quietly draining electricity all day even when they are turned off? So we have to take out the plug when we are not using the electric gadgets. This is known as standby power. So standby power we are draining, that is we can stop this draining, okay, by opening the plug or taking out the plug from the board, or the electric power consumed by products when they are switched off or in a standby mode, said Gagan. That's interesting, Gagan, said Gauri. I have learned so many things today. So Gauri is admitting that she had learned many things on that day, because if we discuss on something, the opinion of several persons comes out, and by those opinions we can learn many kind of things. There are many more things to learn, said Dadaji. Dadaji told that there is no end of learning. We can learn many things as we discuss over a thing. I have thought of something, said Maya. We carpool. I live in a big building and there are 4 other children who study in my school. The bus doesn't come to our building, so our fathers take turns to drive us to school. This week it's my daddy's turn. So some children, they used to study in a same school. So in a turn, someday someday a father of a children, he drives the car, and on the next day it is turn of other children's father. Okay, so that is a system they used to follow. So next day it was Maya's daddy's turn to take them on school. Carpooling is good, said Dadaji. Carpooling, that means sharing. What else can we do to save petrol? So they are saving petrol because they are using one car at a time to take 4 or 5 children, even 6 children in school. And if each children goes by one car, then 6 car was in use. So that means it is more consumption of petrol. So they are saving petrol here by using a single car. Okay, understood? We can use the metro or walk to places close by. So walking is a good habit. If we walk to places that is nearby our home or our destination, so we may save petrol, said Mahesh. I cycle to school. Come to the next page. I cycle to school. So Mahesh goes to school by a cycle. My mother shops for the whole week, so she needs to go to the market once a week, said Gauri. So Gauri's mother goes to the market once a week to collect her things for which is needed for her kitchen. My grandfather works from home. He goes to work just once a week. On other days, he uses the computer and the telephone to remain in touch with the office. So we do our bit to save fuel. So everyone here, it is either the mummy of Gauri or the grandfather of Gauri, both they were saving the petrol by not using them every day, isn't it? Papa says that we all should shop less. We must buy things when we really need them. That is the most important thing. You please don't shop anything that is not needed for you. Just buy the thing which is the necessity. Either or if you do something else, or you to tell your parents that please daddy bring me that thing or those things, so that is no, which is not needed, so it is extra extra expenditure they are doing, so don't use to do that. So Dadi says we should not waste food. We must take only as much food as we need to eat and must finish what is in our plates. So you take that quantity of food which you can eat. Don't take more foods which you cannot eat. If you eat much more than that, you take twice or thrice, that's not a problem, but take the food which you can eat at a time, because if you take more than what you need, then you will be wasting food. Okay, so that is a very bad thing. The earth is ours, so we live in this earth, so it is our planet, so it is our duty to protect our planet, to protect and preserve. It is constantly working for us, so earth is constantly working, it doesn't stop. If it stops, then we will not be living in this earth. We need to understand how hard it works and know that we can help it to remain alive. But instead of that, we are always doing the wrong things. We are cutting off the trees, we are wasting the fossil fuels, we are wasting the water. That is natural resources. Some natural resources are renewable and some natural resources are not renewable. So we must take care of that. Okay, just remember the words reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and most important of all, respect the earth. So if we respect the earth, we can do all these things at a time. Reduce by reducing the need. Okay, reuse, we can reuse some things by washing or by taking it in small quantities. Recycle, we can recycle some things like the leftovers of the leftover of the vegetables or the peels, we can make manure of that. And if there are some things like paper cuttings or that kind of thing, we can recycle them, we can make them we can use them in making crafts or like that. So refuse, if someone is giving you which is not necessary for you, so you have to refuse that. And most important of all, respect the earth, concluded Dadaji. So Dadaji gave them a very important lesson that we have to respect the earth. If we respect someone, then we can make proper value of that thing or the person. So earth is our planet, we are living here, we are using each and everything given by the earth, so it is our duty to take care of it. Okay, so that is all for today. See here, some word notes are given, so you have to read and learn these word notes because it is very important for your question answers. And in our next classes, I will give you some question answers to follow. You have to write down those question answers in your English 2 copy. Make one copy for English 2. I have told you earlier. So make one copy for English 2 and write down the question answers which I will be giving to you, and mention the chapter's name on the above of the page, and always give the date. In which date I am giving you the questions, you have to mention the date at the top of the page. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.